Hi and welcome back to Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. My name is Emelie. In this video we're gonna take a closer look at the new wide pop-up box card die set from Trinity Stamps. This is a part of Trinity Stamps holiday release called Warm and Cozy. This die set is a twist on an old favorite, the box card. This 7-piece die sets include all you need to create a slimline box card, including some dies with stitching and a bridge piece for making it easy to layering objects inside. When assemble this box, it will measure approximately 8 wide, and when you fold it flat for mailing, it measures 8.5 by 3.25 or 3/4. So here you can see I have cut all the pieces that you will be needing for decorating your box and also for assembling it. I also cut out 2 of the bridge pieces so you can layer some images inside. And I also cut out 2 of these pieces that you need to assemble your box. So you can see all of these pieces come pre-scored, so all you have to do is crease them a little bit more just to make sure that everything assembles and runs smoothly when you are adhering this. So you can see I'm using just a bone folder here. You can use only your fingers or whatever you have. And you can see here is half of our box, and then I will not score or actually increase that score line on the back because I want that to be flat so I can have some decorations on the back. You could crease that as well if you wanted it to be a totally open box, but I want it to be more like a scene inside. So here I put some strong score tape to the flaps, and I will show you 2 ways on how to assemble this. But you can see here I am just making sure that I have everything aligned, and I'm using the grid mat to do that, but I will not close the box yet because I will show you 2 ways on how to put in those bridge pieces here. You can see I'm creasing them, and I will also put some double-sided adhesive to that so it's really strong. So you can see here, this is one way you can do it. I have my box all laid out, and when I go to fold this in, you can see here that this part will be pulling itself on top of it, if that makes sense. So here you can see I'm just laying that flat. You can hit the pause button and you can see this again, but it's really easy when you get the hang of it. And here is the second way you can do it, by just peeling it off when it's already assembled and then adhering it to the sides. And here you can play around with how high you want this to be. I wanted mine to be pretty high so that I could have my images popping out a lot, but you can have them further down if that is something you want. So here is that larger piece. You can have it to the back side and write a message to the recipient if you wanted to, but I wanted to have it to the inside here. So I am just using some liquid glue, and by the way, the pattern paper here is a part of Trinity Stamps Slimline pattern papers. I will have it listed down below for you, and I'm just making sure that I like it, and you can see that this leaves the perfect white border around it. So now I will go ahead and decorate my box with all the little pieces that comes with this. So I cut you can see the parts that I'm decorating now, the upper parts 4 times, and this part that is on the front only once. And then I have been cutting this one as well. Or sorry, this one I cut 1 time, and the other one I cut twice. You can see all the pieces that have a flap that you can see when it's folded, I cut twice. So here you can see you could have just had it one of those for the background, but I made sure that it went all the way down. So you have a couple of options with this box. And here you can see it's all decorated, and I really like how this looks. And the back side I left white so you can write a message, or you can cut one more of those panels that I showed you previously and write your message on top of that. So I really like how this turned out, and I will show you some close-ups from the design team now, and I hope that you have gotten some inspiration and figured out how this will work. It's pretty easy when you get the hang of it. If you want even more inspiration on this die set, you can visit Trinity Stamps Instagram, Facebook and blog. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!